I am so excited to announce that our YouTube channel has reached over 2,000 subscribers and our Instagram has over 350 followers. Thank you so much. I couldn't have done it without you. Hey everyone, welcome to the red carpet. In this video, we'll be making a little miniature face shield for our dolls to stay safe and healthy, of course. But before we get into the how-to, I'm just gonna ask that you please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, leave comments, and all of that stuff. So here are the materials that we'll be needing. This is actually a really quick craft. It's not that hard at all. And the craft foam that I'm using does have the adhesive on the back. So we're just going to take a scrap sheet of paper and just kind of press it on our doll's face. So we can just get an estimate of the dimensions that we'll need. We're going to kind of draw around the impression. And then we'll put our piece of paper flat on the table and just kind of define the line. I draw out the shape we made. And since I want it to be a little more symmetrical, I'm just going to fold it in half. Gotta sketch out the lines a little bit better, then we'll cut that out. So now we have two even halves. Now open that up and use a clear piece of plastic from packaging. We'll cut that shape out. Really easy to follow these instructions. And like I said, this is a pretty quick craft. Here we have our piece of plastic. From here, we're going to cut very small strips of craft foam. So I cut out a blue strip and cut out a white strip as well. These are going to be the same size. So we'll take our blue strip and remove the backing. And like I said, this craft foam has adhesive on there. If you're using the craft foam without adhesive, what you're going to have to do is use hot glue. And you're going to make sure to apply it to the craft foam. Do not apply it to the plastic because the plastic will melt. And the reason why I like using this craft foam with the adhesive on there is because you can really take your time kind of lining it up. That's what I'm doing right here. I actually had to do it about 2 or 3 times. I'm going to line it up to the top of the plastic. You want to leave a little bit on each end. And you want to curve it a little bit, but don't bend it because you don't want to put a crease in the plastic. Just a small curve. And we'll trim the craft foam, and as you can see, it's a small little extension on the end. And we will carefully use a little hot glue to attach a little strip of elastic. Of course, always using caution with hot glue. No one wants to hurt themselves. Just always be super, super, super careful. So we position it on our doll's face so that we could measure off where to attach the other end of the elastic. And again, we'll hot glue the other end to our face shield. I'm just trimming off the excess elastic. You might want to trim before you actually glue too. That's an option. So the final step is covering up the insides with that second piece of craft foam. So we'll remove the backing and simply attach it right across the back. So you have a piece of craft foam on the front of the plastic, piece of craft foam on the back of the plastic, and the elastic ends in the center. And we'll try to curve it a little bit more, give it a little bit more shape. And here it is. Our face shield is all done. And do a fitting. And ta-da! There's our face shield. Actually, this was a super quick and easy craft, and our doll is in compliance with the CDC. So this was a cool little craft, you know, and I hope that you guys try this at home and let me know what you think. So I thank you for taking a few minutes to watch this video. Again, I want to thank you so much for the 2,000 subscribers. I know that it's not a lot to other people, but I just think it's so amazing, the support and the love that I get from everybody. And I just want to keep making videos for you. So reach out to me. I love your comments. I love to hear from you. Again, thank you so much for all of your support and encouragement and ideas. I love it all. And for leaving a comment on a previous video, we're going to officially welcome Susie Q NICU to the red carpet. Thank you, thank you, thank you 1 million. I'll see you at the next video. And remember, it's more fun to make it. You guys stay safe out there.